So next I'm going to take the thermostat housing off. Let's pull this plug. Got a 11 millimeter. Looks like 1, 2, 3. And this looks to be probably a 13, yeah, 13 millimeter here on the bottom of the bracket. But first, I'll go ahead and pop this hose off. A little bit of antifreeze there. Hold right there. It's okay. So I'm just going to pour what's left in this hose. I put a pail underneath the car. Now I'm going to take the 11 millimeter . You know what? Might be a 10. Yeah. So now we're going to take the 10 millimeter and break these free. One. Two. We have a third one kind of hiding down there. There's 3. And then there's the 13 millimeter. Already broke it free. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. Oh. go. Yeah, it's new. Good shape. Inside looks good. It's a keeper.